Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, then thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're enjoying the content that I have been creating, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. Like today's video, share it with your friends and family, comment down below, and also hit on the notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload a new video. So guys, for today's tutorial, I have created a classic winged eyeliner. Yes. So basically it's very easy to achieve this look. कुछ ज़्यादा complicated look नहीं है, लेकिन classic winged eyeliner के साथ I have gone with a really nice pop of color. जैसे आप waterline पे देख सकते हैं, मैंने बहुत ही प्यारा blue color का cream gel liner apply किया हुआ है. And whenever you do like classic winged eyeliner look, उसके साथ red lipstick is a must. It is mandatory. I mean, if you love nude colors, obviously आप nude colors apply कर सकते हो, like a nude liquid lipstick. लेकिन red completes the look. मतलब winged eyeliner and red कभी भी गलत नहीं हो सकता है. That's why I went ahead with my red lipstick. And if you guys are wondering मैंने कौन सा eyeliner use किया है to create my winged eyeliner look, I have used my Kiro's waterproof soft matte eyeliner pen. Absolutely love this product. लेकिन अगर आपको और इस product के बारे में जानना है, and if you want to know how you can also create like a classic winged eyeliner look, especially for hooded eyes, okay, then what you have to do, you have to watch this tutorial. So then without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so first I will be spraying my Urban Decay's All-Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. For my foundation today, I will be applying my Kiro's Daily Dewy Serum Foundation. It is in the shade Sun Beige 02. It has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and niacinamide in it. It's a beautiful foundation and it's a lightweight foundation, so which is perfect for monsoons. So let's apply this foundation. I will be applying it with my beauty blender. Now that I'm done with applying my foundation, let's go ahead and apply concealer. So I will be mixing these two concealers today, okay. So this one is my Urban Decay's Naked Skin Concealer. It is in the shade Medium Neutral, and this one is my K-Beauty's Concealer. Very lovely formula, okay. It is in the shade 110N Light. So let's go ahead and apply first Urban Decay concealer. Okay, love the formula of this one as well. I really wish that they launch Urban Decay in India. And then I'm going to apply my K-Beauty concealer. I just realized guys, मेरे जो beauty blender यहाँ से tear हो गया है. Look at it. Disappointing. Okay, chalo. Now let's set our under eyes with Laura Mercier's translucent loose powder. So now I will be going ahead and applying my Kiro's Botanico Timeless Compact, okay, and it has maracuja oil and goji seed oil in it. It is in the shade Hazel Beige 03. Love this compact. Just applying it with my brush. So let's apply some blush now. No bronzer, no highlighter today. It's just going to be a blush. This is my I forgot the name. Yeah, Forever 52. Okay, Forever 52 Cheek Pop blush. It is in the shade Bubbly. I love these blushers. They are beautiful. Just look at this shade. It is so pretty. And now again, I'm going to spray my Urban Decay spray. Okay guys, so now let's move on to our eye makeup. It's a very simple eye makeup that I will be doing today. Okay, so let's begin. So first I will be going in with my Too Faced Melted Chocolate matte eyeshadow. Okay, it is in the shade Chocolate Bunny. ये काफ़ी ड्राई हो चुका था, सो यहाँ पे हल्का सा पैची हो गया है. बट what I have done is I have mixed my Inglots Duraline. Okay, now so hopefully there shouldn't be any issue. So let's apply this. Yeah, now it's perfect. And now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some of Charlotte Tilbury's bronzer. It is in the shade medium, just on the edges. I'm just going to apply it on my bottom lash line as well. So guys, now let's go ahead and apply today's hero product, and it is from the brand Kiro. It is their soft matte eyeliner pen. Okay, now this soft matte eyeliner pen is obviously matte in finish. It is waterproof, it is smudge proof, it is easy to use, it is ophthalmologically tested, and also it is very long lasting. It stays up to 24 hours, and this one is in the shade Carbon Black, and it is matte in finish like I said earlier, and it also has a really nice precise felt tip, so the application becomes really precise and very easy, and it just glides on. It is very beautiful. It is smooth. It applies very evenly. So if you are a beginner, you will love this eyeliner pen. I absolutely love it. It is beautiful. So I'm going to do like a cat eyeliner. Now if you guys look at my eyes, I have hooded eyes. Okay, so I will be doing cat eyeliner according to the shape of my eye. I will be starting from the outer corner over here, jo bottom lash line ka outer corner hai. Okay, so this is going to be a mark, and jahan pe mera eyebrow end hota hai, I'm just going to pull till here. Okay, so this is a mark and this is a mark. Okay, so let's apply it. I'm just following this, the tail of my eyebrow, and I'm going to keep the wing below my crease. यहाँ पे जो fold होता है ना, जो wing होगा इसके नीचे होगा. Okay, हम wing बाद में बनाएंगे, पहले हम line बना देते हैं. Now I'm going to extend this. Yes, like so. And now I'm just going to draw a small wing over here. So this is our outer wing and this is our inner corner wing. And now it's time for me to apply my ColourPop's Creme Gel Liner on my waterline. And today I will be going in with this shade. It's called Prance. Not exactly sure how to pronounce it, but it's a beautiful blue color. So today I will be going in with my Maybelline's Sky High Lash Sensational Mascara. Since we have done like a classic wing eyeliner look, I thought why not to go in with a really stunning red lip color. So I will be going in with my Fenty Beauty's liquid lipstick. It is in the shade Uncensored. I absolutely love the formula and the color of this liquid lipstick. So let's go ahead and apply this lip color. And lastly, I'm again going to spray my Urban Decay spray.